Do you care about others way too much? Do you feel or absorb the energy of other people around you way too easily? Are you a very nurturing person? Do you tend to attract a lot of energy vampires and narcissistic people or toxic people? Are you the type of person that gets drained in social settings pretty quickly? Have you always been sensitive to the other side? If you resonated with any of the questions that I asked you when you answered yes or nodded your head to any of those questions, then chances are you are an empath, just like me. I know how hard it could be to protect yourself, protect your energy, and I know how hard it can be to kind of cut yourself off from other people in order to preserve your own energy. I know how easily we can become drained or unhappy, so that's why I'm making this video, to give you some tips on how you can protect yourself as an empath starting today. Keep watching so I can tell you the easy and most effective ways to protect yourself as an empath, both physically and spiritually. Hey y'all, it's Taleh Anika or whatever. That's not even my intro. Hey y'all, it's Taleh Anika, and welcome to my sanctuary where I put you on to all of my tips and help you step into your fullest potential and become your best self. So how do you protect yourself as an empath? There's a few different ways that I've learned along the way and also through research. These are all tried and true, okay? So these are all tips that I practice every single day, and ever since I've been practicing these tips and really implementing this information that I'm about to share with you, my life has really changed. My energy levels have been really heightened and more balanced out. I'm able to finally live my life without feeling tired, drained, depleted, used, and abused all of the time. So keep on watching. Number one is to pray for protection. So you need to pray for protection, not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, spiritually, okay, and physically. When you pray for protection, all you're doing is just setting an intention, okay? You're getting in contact with the energies of the universe or your divine team or your angels or your ancestors, however you want to describe the higher power, whatever term resonates for you, that's all that matters. Okay, but I like to say the universe or our divine team a lot, and I'll also reference, ancestors. So all you're doing, praying is literally you having a conversation, okay? Imagine you're calling up your mom and you asking her, okay, or your dad, and you're asking him to keep you protected. That's all you're doing when you're reaching out to your divine team, to the universe, okay, to the higher powers. Just ask for their protection. Ask for them to specifically protect you from, negative energies, lower vibrational energies, toxic people, people that don't have your best interest at heart, okay? People and energies or entities that don't have your best interest at heart. Ask for protection from those things, not just physically, but spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. Number two is to set those boundaries. Set some healthy boundaries for yourself. Now, as an empath, a lot of the times we struggle when we're children. We struggle with sticking up for ourselves, and we also struggle with telling people no. We also struggle with, just telling people to stay back there and don't come too close, okay? Setting them boundaries. We usually struggle with that as children growing up. I know I did. I used to be a really quiet, sweet kid. I never used to stick up for myself. But now, so set healthy boundaries without remorse or regret. A lot of the times people can make us feel bad for saying no or for doing what's best for us. Do not let anybody make you feel bad for protecting yourself. Don't ever let anybody make you feel bad for doing what's best for you, okay? Because if you don't look out for you, nobody else will. So if you're feeling tired, let people know that you're feeling tired. If you're feeling uncomfortable, let people know that you're feeling uncomfortable. If you don't want to do something, if you want to say no, say no. You have every right to do that, okay? Just like them. You could do the same thing too. So don't let anybody make you feel bad or, regretful for setting those healthy boundaries. Number three is to create your protective light shield. So the way that I do this is I do this through visualization and intention. I like to connect with my ancestors and my divine team a lot when I'm doing anything, to be honest. Like, even if I drop a cup of water, I'm gonna be like, yo, y'all just saw that? Like, that's literally the type of relationship that I have with my divine team. We're literally locked in, okay? We like best friends, and I feel like everybody should aspire to build that type of relationship with their divine team as well. I do this through visualization and intention. Like I said in my manifestation technique video, which is linked down below, Okay, so check the description box after this video to check that out as well. But like I said in that video, whenever you say something, it is. That's literally how our words and our energy works, okay? So if you say, listen, I have a big white ball of light surrounding me and protecting me from all negative energies, entities, and lower vibrational energies, and all of those that don't serve my highest good, and so it is, it is. And it's that simple, okay? Moving on, number 4 is to defend yourself tastefully and speak your truth. Now, this goes back to, like I said, number 2, setting those healthy boundaries. Don't be afraid to voice your opinion, because your opinion matters as well. Your feelings matter just as much as theirs. So don't be afraid to speak your truth. If you're feeling the type of way, speak up about it. Speak up about it. Stop being afraid to voice your opinion. Stop being afraid to shake the boat a little bit. Stop being afraid to shake the table a little bit, okay? Because not everything is going to be perfect. Not everything is all peaches and cream. It's okay to have an opposing view. It's okay to not be feeling something as much as other people are feeling something, okay? It's okay to be different. It's okay to feel the way that you feel. Don't allow anybody to make you feel bad for feeling the truth within yourself, okay? Honor yourself by speaking your truth, by standing up for yourself. And you don't have to be nasty with people. You don't have to have a bad attitude. You don't have to be mean. You can say, like, if somebody asks you, like, do you want to go out later on today? And you're like, I know what y'all be doing. Y'all be making those excuses talking about, I'm tired, or no, because my aunt asked me to take out the garbage for her later on, so I can't go. No, if you don't want to go because you tired, nah, I'm tired today. I would love to go, but I'm tired today, so maybe we can do something next time. That's all you have to say. And they're going to respect you. People are going to respect you when you speak your truth and when you hold your own. Don't ever feel bad for saying no, okay? Don't ever feel bad for speaking up for yourself. Because if you don't do it, nobody else will. Repeat it with me. If I don't do it, nobody else will. Period. Number 5 is a reminder mantra that I created and that I use till this day. It's literally 6 words, okay? Repeat it with me. My feelings matter just as much. My feelings matter just as much. My feelings matter just as much. This mantra, the purpose and intention of this mantra is to allow you to speak your truth. This is to empower you to speak your truth. This is a reminder to let you know that it is okay to speak your truth. It is okay to defend yourself. And that's why I use it. And feel free to take it and use it in your life. Number 6 is earthing in nature. One of my favorite things to do. I'm a city girl, okay? I'm from New York City, so I really used to not like the country. Like, I have family that lives in the country in Massachusetts, and I used to hate the country. I used to be like, how do y'all live out here with all these bugs, hearing crickets all times of the night? You hear no cars, y'all got no street lights. Like, I used to be coming for the country, okay? But I really started to appreciate nature a lot as I got older and as I started to tap in more to my spirituality. It's like I love the beauty of the earth so much, especially the beach, like bodies of water, the ocean, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, all of that. Like, I'm obsessed with nature now. And all earthing is literally is taking off your shoes and your socks and walking either on the ground or through sand or through soil, or even like, dipping your feet into a lake or something. The big main benefit of earthing is that when you plant your bare feet or your bare hands into any area of the earth, you're actually getting recharged, literally, because the electrons from the earth are now entering your body, and we actually really need those to survive. So when you go out in earth, this also helps you get really grounded. It's also closely related to the root chakra, okay? Grounding, remaining grounded and confident is all about root chakra work. So don't be afraid to go out there with your bare feet, okay? Even if you're a cute little bougie girl like moi, it's okay to get your feet a little dirty and go out there. You can always take a shower, okay? We have showers. You can always take a shower. But just go out into the earth and ground yourself and really soak up those electrons to really benefit not just your body, but your soul and your mental and spiritual well-being as well. The last one is the most important of how to protect your energy as an empath. Also, if you're getting any type of value from this video, be sure to subscribe and join the Soul Tribe. I would love to see you back here, okay? And leave some feedback down below. Number 7 is my personal favorite tip, and that is to soak in your solitude a lot. A lot, okay? A lot. This is another form of self-love and self-care. It is okay to be alone. I'm telling you, when you get used to being alone, like literally alone, like not trying to distract yourself with TV or your phone, but if you could just sit in silence by yourself and like look at, I don't know, nature, or admire yourself in the mirror, like when you really soak into your solitude, you will become obsessed. I promise you, okay? Start spending time alone and come back into the comments and let me know how this affects you, because I'm telling you, it becomes addictive. So definitely balance out that solitude, you know, that me time with that we time. Don't forget to balance out those, you know, 2 separate times, so this way you don't, you know, push away your whole entire family and your whole entire network circle. You want to be able to spend time alone when you need it. Okay, if you feel like you need to be alone, take that time alone. It's fine. You ain't got to feel bad. And when you have that energy to, you know, go out and be with other people, then go and do that. So these are all the ways that I have protected myself energetically as an empath, and I hope that these work for you as well. If they do, come back and let your girl know. But until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Later.